As we get older, we often face changes that can be a bit unsettling. Maybe you've noticed that it's harder to carry groceries up the stairs, or you feel a little unsteady when standing up from a chair. It's natural to feel a bit frustrated or even worried as these changes start to creep in. But here's the good news. You don't have to just accept these challenges. There's actually a lot you can do to take back control of your body, improve your balance, and regain strength. In fact, there are 5 simple exercises that can make a world of difference, and I'm going to walk you through them today. These exercises are not just about staying active. They're about building a foundation for aging gracefully, keeping your body strong, and most importantly, preserving your independence. Now, I know what you're thinking. You might be thinking, I'm not sure I can do some of these exercises, or I'm too old to start something new like this. But trust me, it's never too late. Whether you're 60, 70, or 80, these exercises are designed for you, and you can do them in the comfort of your home with minimal equipment and with adjustments to match your abilities. In this video, we're going to cover why these exercises matter, how they help you, and I'll guide you through every step so that you can start seeing improvements right away. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on any video just like this one made just for you. And if this message resonates with you, type 1 in the comments below to let me know, or type 0 if you're still not sure. I'm always here to learn from you, too. So, take a deep breath, relax, and get ready. This is the start of something great for your body and your health. Let's begin with the first one. The first exercise, glute bridge. Now let's talk about the glute bridge. It might sound simple, but trust me, it's one of the best exercises to strengthen your lower body, especially your glutes and hamstrings. As we age, we often experience a decline in muscle mass, particularly in the lower body, which can affect our balance and increase the risk of falls. This exercise can help reverse that by strengthening the muscles that support your hips and spine. Imagine you're about to lie down on your back like you're getting ready to rest. But instead of just lying there, you're going to do something a little fun and helpful for your body. Start by lying flat on the floor on your back. Bend your knees so your feet are flat on the ground, kind of like you're sitting in a chair, but lying down. Keep your arms by your sides with your palms facing down. Now, take a big breath in, and as you breathe out, squeeze your bottom like you're trying to hold something between your cheeks and push your hips up toward the ceiling. You want your body to look like a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Don't let your back bend too much. Keep it straight. When your hips are lifted up, hold them there for just 1 or 2 seconds. It should feel like your bottom muscles are working hard to keep you up. After holding for a moment, slowly lower your hips back down to the floor while breathing in again. Try to control the movement so you don't just drop them too fast. Do this 8 to 12 times, and try to do this exercise 3 times a week. If you feel strong, you can try lifting one leg at a time instead of both feet on the ground. By doing this exercise, you'll make your legs and bottom stronger, which helps you stand and move better without feeling wobbly. It's an easy exercise that can really help with your balance, and it's something you can do every day to get even better at it. The second exercise, squats. Next up is a classic, the squat. Squats are one of the most powerful exercises you can do for your body. They help make your legs stronger, which is important for things like walking, standing up from a chair, or even getting in and out of the car. As we get older, it's easy to lose strength in our legs, but squats are a great way to fight that. Let me explain how to do a squat step by step in a way anyone can follow, even without seeing a video or picture. Start by standing up straight with your feet about as wide as your shoulders. You want your toes pointing slightly out, like you're standing comfortably. Let your arms rest by your sides. Imagine you're about to sit down in a chair behind you. Keep your back straight and push your hips back like you're going to sit down, but instead of actually sitting, you're going to stop just before. As you push your hips back, bend your knees and lower your body like you're almost sitting in a chair. Your knees should stay in line with your toes, so don't let them go too far forward. Go down as low as feels comfortable. Don't push yourself too far. You just want to feel a little stretch in your legs. Your chest should stay lifted, and your back should stay straight the whole time. After a second, push through your heels, the bottom of your feet, and straighten your legs to stand back up. When you come back up, squeeze your bottom and legs to help lift you. Do this 8 to 12 times in a row, and then take a short break. You can do 3 sets of 8 to 12 squats, and try doing it 2 to 3 times a week. If you need help, you can hold onto a sturdy chair or wall for balance. Squats help make your legs, bottom, and core stronger. They also help with your balance, so you're less likely to trip and fall. Plus, they make everyday activities like standing up from a chair or climbing stairs easier and less tiring. Squats might sound like a lot at first, but once you get into the habit, you'll feel the difference. Your legs will be stronger and you'll have more energy for your daily activities. The third exercise, calf raises. Now let's move on to something simple yet powerful, calf raises. These are fantastic for building strength in your lower legs, improving your balance, and helping with circulation. The great thing about calf raises is that they're easy to do and can make a huge difference in how you move every day. Let's break it down into easy steps so you can do it perfectly even if you've never tried it before. Begin by standing up straight with your feet about shoulder width apart. Your toes should be pointing straight ahead. If you need extra support, place your hands lightly on a sturdy chair or counter for balance. Now, slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet. Imagine you're trying to stand on your tiptoes, but without forcing it. You want to gently lift your heels off the ground, and as you do, keep your body straight. Once you're up on your tiptoes, hold the position for about 2 seconds. You should feel the muscles in your calves working as you balance there. Now, slowly lower your heels back down to the floor. Do this carefully and with control. Don't drop your heels too fast. Take your time as you lower them. Try doing this 10 to 15 times and aim for 3 sets. You can do this exercise 3 times a week. Calf raises are great because they help improve your walking, help you with climbing stairs, and also increase circulation in your legs. Doing them regularly can reduce swelling in your ankles, and it can help prevent blood clots, which is important as we age. And if you feel ready for a challenge, you can try doing calf raises 1 leg at a time, or even hold a light weight in your hands to make it harder. But no pressure. Start simple and just focus on getting the form right. Once you've done this a few times, you'll notice how much easier it is to walk, go upstairs, or stand for longer periods without feeling tired or unstable. Plus, it's a quick exercise that doesn't take much time, but it makes a big difference. The fourth exercise, scapular retraction. Let's move on to a really important exercise for your upper body, scapular retraction. This one is fantastic for your shoulders and upper back, and it can help with improving your posture, especially if you've been sitting or standing hunched over a lot. Many of us, especially as we age, tend to slouch, and this exercise can help you straighten up and feel more confident. I'll guide you through it step by step, and I promise it's easier than it sounds. If you have a resistance band, grab it now. If you don't have one, don't worry. This exercise can still be done without it, but the band adds a little extra challenge. Hold the band with both hands at chest height and bend your elbows so your arms are in a 90-degree position like a goalpost. Stand tall and engage your core. Stand up straight with your shoulders relaxed but not slouching. Imagine there's a string attached to the top of your head, pulling you up. This will help keep your back nice and straight. Now, while keeping your elbows bent at 90 degrees, slowly pull the band apart by squeezing your shoulder blades together. You want to feel like you're trying to pinch a pencil between your shoulder blades. Once your arms are pulled apart as far as they can go, hold that position for about 2 seconds. You should feel the muscles in your upper back working hard to keep your arms wide. After 2 seconds, slowly return your arms back to the starting position. Don't rush this part. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Aim to do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, and try to do this 3 times a week. This exercise helps correct rounded shoulders and improves your posture, which can reduce neck and shoulder pain. By doing it regularly, you'll notice your shoulders feel less tight and more open. Plus, better posture makes you look taller and more confident, which feels great as we age. Don't forget, keep your neck relaxed and focus on squeezing your shoulder blades, not your neck. If you feel any tension in your neck, slow down and focus on engaging your upper back muscles instead. Now, let's get ready for the last exercise, which is going to strengthen your upper body even more. The 5th exercise, modified push-ups. Now, let's talk about one of the best exercises for your upper body, push-ups. I know, it might sound intimidating, but don't worry. We're going to start with modified push-ups so you can build strength at your own pace. Push-ups are fantastic for strengthening your chest, shoulders, arms, and core, and they help keep your upper body strong for everyday tasks like lifting, pushing, or even just sitting up straight. Let's break it down so anyone can follow along. To make it easier, we're going to start by doing push-ups against a wall. Stand a few steps away from the wall and place your hands on the wall at shoulder height with your fingers pointing forward. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart. Stand tall with your body straight, like you're trying to make a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your arms straight and your core engaged. Tighten your stomach a little like you're about to be tickled. Slowly bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the wall, keeping your body straight the whole time. Go down as far as you can, but don't push yourself too hard. Just go to a depth that feels comfortable. Once you've reached the bottom, push yourself back up by straightening your arms, making sure your body stays in a straight line. Exhale as you push up, and try not to let your back sag or your hips dip. Do this 8 to 12 times in a row, rest for a second, and then do 2 more sets. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, and try doing this 2 to 3 times a week. Push-ups help strengthen your chest, arms, shoulders, and core, which are essential for doing everyday tasks. Whether you're reaching for something high on a shelf or simply pushing a door open, push-ups make these movements easier and safer. Over time, as you get stronger, you can try doing push-ups on an incline, hands on a table or counter, or even on the floor with your knees down. Push-ups are truly a full-body exercise, and once you feel confident doing the modified version, you can try a more advanced version to keep challenging yourself. So there you have it. 5 simple but powerful exercises that can make a real difference in your strength balance and overall mobility. By adding these exercises into your routine, you'll start to feel more confident in your daily movements, and you'll have more energy to do the things you love. The key is consistency. Even just a few minutes a day can add up to big improvements over time. And remember, it's never too late to start. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, these exercises are for you. They'll help you feel stronger, more balanced, and more independent, so you can keep doing the things you enjoy for years to come. Thank you for sticking with me through these exercises. I hope you're feeling motivated to start today. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it with a friend or loved one who might benefit from these exercises too. Stay healthy, stay strong, and remember, you've got this. I hope you feel empowered after learning these 5 exercises today. By practicing them regularly, you're not just building strength and balance, you're investing in your future. These small changes can add up to a more active, independent, and healthier lifestyle, and the best part is, you can start right now with just a few minutes each day. Now, I want to hear from you. Which exercise are you most excited to try first? Or maybe you've already been doing some of them. How has it helped you? Drop a comment below, and let's chat about your experience. It's always great to connect and share tips with each other. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I've got some amazing content lined up that will help you continue on this journey to better health. Next time, we're going to dive into simple stretches that can help relieve joint pain and increase flexibility. Perfect for those of us who want to stay limber as we age. You won't want to miss it. So make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications. And hey, if you found this video useful, share it with a friend or family member who might need it too. Let's help each other stay strong, healthy, and active no matter our age. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, it's never too late to start. You've got the strength inside you. Let's unlock it together. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.